Peace, guys. Sup, guys? I'm gonna have a little Bay battle today. As you can see, is the Rip Grind Bay Stadium. Just to have a little fun. It's gonna be between. Well, let me get my stuff ready. It's gonna be between Tornado Leon and Tornado Lacerta. Get my Bay launchers ready. Sorry, that's my phone. I'll insert in a little bit. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Let it rip. Round 1 goes to Tornado Lacerta. Round 2. And round 2 goes to Tornado Lacerta again. So I'm gonna have another battle just for fun for you guys. Whoa. Surprising little twist. He wins the last round. That was just for fun, but you know, you don't win, so get out. Get out of here, man. Yeah, you're the winner. Win a victory spin. For no reason I'm gonna do a victory spin. I threw my string in there. 3, 2, 1, let it. Bye guys, peace. If you like this video and you want to see more, subscribe. Peace out.